Java class. Today we will discuss how to handle the exception in Java, that is exception handling with help of the examples. Right. In last video we learned about exception. Exceptions are unexpected event that occur during the program execution. Okay, so how to catch and handle the exception in Java? We use exception handler components. We use some exception handler component, that is the first one is try, catch, add, final. Okay, we use the exception handler component, that is try, catch, add, final. Okay, to catch and handle the exception, we place the try, catch and finally block around the code that might generate an exception. The finally block is optional, so not compulsory for the final block, it's a optional. The syntax of the try catch block is, okay, so keyword try, opening brace, closing brace, inside the opening brace, closing brace, here's some code. So after the try, immediately there will be catch block. Okay, so in catch block I am using the exception class, exception type, that is which catch block which handles the exception, and last one is the final block. So there are total 3 blocks. One is the try block, and the second one is finally block. Second one is catch block, and third one is final block. Finally is optional, if not necessary. Okay, the code. So we'll discuss about the try, catch, block, finally block. So the code that might generate the exception is placed in the try block. Okay, the code that might generate an exception is placed inside the try block, which contains the code, okay, which might be generate the exception. Okay, next, every try catch block should be immediately followed by catch block or finally block. When exception occurs, it is caught by the catch block that immediately follows it. Okay, if exception occurs, it's caught by the catch block. If there is error in the try block, then the error will be handled by the catch block. Okay, catch block cannot be used alone and must be always be preceded by try block. Okay, so we cannot use catch block panel. We should proceed by try block. Without try block, we can't use the catch block. So here is, I will discuss one example about the try catch block. I will write a program try catch block. Here I will create a class that is text exception. Okay, so inside the text exception I will create the main method public static void string args. Okay, I will use try block to try. Okay, I will make it the size of the text is small, that. Okay, try. So try is small here. Try. Next, inside the try block, I will write the code. I will try to divide the 0 divide 5 by the 0. So I will make here a division operation, and I will create a variable that is divided by 0. So I have written the variable that is divided by 0. I want to divide 5 by 0. Okay, so I have created the variable that is divided by 0. Next I will print the value of divided by 0 variable. System dot out dot print value. Okay, okay, here the result is value of divided by 0 by 0 variable. Okay, next what I will do is I will create a catch block. Catch block preceded by the try block. Okay, so catch block I will create the object of the arithmetic exception class. I will pass the object of the arithmetic exception class. So here I am passing the object of the arithmetic exception class, and inside the catch block I will print a message system dot out dot arithmetic exception okay equal to e dot the object of the arithmetic expression class, that is c dot get message. Okay, so here I have created the class that is text expression. Inside the class text exception I have a main method. Inside the main method I am using the try block. Inside the try block I am here some code. So I want to divide 5 by 0. So I have created the variable divided by 0. Whatever result will come, that will be stored in divided by 0 variable. I am just printing the value system.out.println. The result is divided by 0. Next, catch I am using catch block followed by the proceed by the try block. I am passing the object of the arithmetic expression class as a parameter, and I am printing system.out.println exception c dot get message. Here get message is a method which display the error message, okay, which is got in the try block. Okay, so here suppose if error is there in try block, that error will be handled by the catch block. Okay, so get message which display the error message. Okay, C is object of the class. Here how catch will be handle this error. Here I have declared the variable that is divided by 0, 5 divided by 0. Here is arithmetic expression error because it's not possible to divide 5 by 0. So here error occurs. Whatever the error occurs, that catch block will be handled. We will check for the type of the error, if it is, or type of the exception. It is the exception of type arithmetic expression. Okay, means I am trying to divide 5 by 0, means it is arithmetic exception, right? Take arithmetic exception. It is not possible to divide 5 by 0. So it is the error. Then this error will be caught by or handled by the arithmetic catch block, okay, of type arithmetic exception. It will just throw a message arithmetic expression not divisible by 0. Okay, it will print not divisible by 0. Okay, so this is about the simple program try catch block. Try is inside the try there will be code, and in catch if there is any error in try block or in code, the error will be handled by the catch block. Okay, so this is about the error handling. In next video I will execute the program of exception and stay home.